Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the capacity and capability building necessary so that we can transform and manage the change. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. What we want to do now is to look at the things we need to do, how we actually roll up our sleeves and build the required capacity and capability to undergo transformation, to support the new roles, to help people through the process, to build the pipes and help them. The simple diagram, as you can see, shows we need to address governance, we need to address behaviours, we need to address and respond to the external factors. We need to change the environment. We need to address the operations. And above all, we need to support and help people to help themselves. This builds the overall capacity and capability to transform. It builds that emergent behaviour. It builds the teams of empowered individuals. It enables the individuals to go off and do what they need to do. For those in the room, we're going to explore each of the elements in more detail, though some of them we have discussed previously in the session. For those following on the videos, please feel free to pause and have a look through the elements and to go over some of the other videos that describe some of the elements in more detail. It is the pulling together of all of these activities which brings transformation. As we've said before, there's no panacea, there's no silver bullet, there's no magic wand. It is the consistent and persistent application of proven business principles that brings transformation. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.